Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video I will show how to get your public IP address in the terminal console. In the previous video I've shown the speed test in the console. If you don't know how to set up the speed test, I will give the video link in the description box below. You can go through with that video and check your internet speed in the console. Let's try to get our public IP address. Just type curl info.io. This is the command. Just hit enter. You can see IP address and where I am situated, everything, and the locality, everything is going to show. This is a simple script, not a script, this is a simple command. To show your public IP address, you can check here the same IP is, and the below and the above public IP address is same. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Once again, thanks for watching.